Good morning, everyone. We're finishing up another week of virtual preschool, and I am so glad you decided to join me for circle time today. And excuse me, I might have to sneeze. Just a second. Okay, maybe not. All right, so let's figure out what day it is. So the last day of school we had was Wednesday, Thursday. So today is Friday, yes. All right, so let's move that rainbow arrow to Friday. All right. And who remembers the name of our month? February, that's right. So let's go ahead and count those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes next? 11. Yes. So let's figure out the pattern. Heart, mailbox, mailbox. Heart. What's next? Mailbox. Yes. All right. So we have a number 11 with a mailbox on it. All right. We need to do one more because that was yesterday, the 3's class day. 9, 10, 11. What comes next? 12. Yes, and let's figure out the pattern. Heart, mailbox, mailbox. Heart, mailbox, mailbox. Yes, so we have a number 12 with a mailbox on it. All right, so let's say the whole date. Today is Friday, February 12th, and the year is 2021. All right, let's figure out what the weather is like at your house today. So when you look out the window, is it partly cloudy, cloudy, sunny, windy, rainy, stormy, or snowy? And we also need to figure out the temperature. What does it feel like outside? So when you step out the door, does it feel burning hot, hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing cold? All right, don't forget to have your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa look up the temperature on their weather app for you. All right, so this week we've been talking all about Valentine's Day, right? So let's see what our book is in the mystery envelope. All right, let's see what this one is. This is called The Night Before Valentine's Day. Now this book is kind of similar. If you've read The Night Before Christmas, this book is kind of similar to that. It kind of goes along those same kind of lines, except for it's about Valentine's Day. So it's not the night before Valentine's Day, right? Valentine's Day is Sunday, but this is our last day of virtual preschool before Valentine's Day. So, the night before Valentine's Day. 'Twas the night before Valentine's Day, and all through the town children were busy, not making a sound. They gathered their scissors, their glitter and glue, pink and red paper, and paintbrushes too. They made cards that read, "Will you be mine?" and others that said, "My true Valentine." They trimmed giant hearts with stickers and lace and added an arrow in just the right place. Then, marking the envelopes with each friend's name, they hoped that their friends were doing the same. And when they were done, they slept snug in their beds, while visions of candy hearts danced in their heads. The very next morning, it was Valentine's Day. They grabbed all their cards and went on their way. The classroom was decked out in red, pink, and white, with balloons and streamers so festive and bright. Someone dropped by with a giant bouquet, addressed to the teacher, who blushed right away. The card was signed from a secret admirer, but everyone knew it was Mr. O'Meyer. So a bouquet is like a thing, like a bunch of flowers together. And let's see, do you know what blushed means? That means when your cheeks turn red because you might be a little embarrassed. And a secret admirer is somebody who likes you, but they don't tell you who they are. So they might send you a gift or a card or something, but they don't put their name on it, so you don't know who they are. They played pin the heart and won goofy toys, and girls ran away from kissy face boys. The art teacher came and painted kids' faces. She put hearts on cheeks and sillier places. Look, they have hearts on their noses. At last it was time to deliver the cards. Look, one for Lisa, Jim, and Bernard. They opened them up, read them, and smiled, and laughed at the cards that were totally wild. You all are going to get to do that soon. We were able to still do our Valentine's exchange, weren't we? And I will have a bag of cards from friends in your class for you to take home today when you come for packet pickup. Then they ate goodies, sweet cherries and grapes, and drank punch with ice cubes in little heart shapes. And just when they thought the party was done, a knock on the door came at 1:15. When what to their wondering eyes should appear but the principal himself, dressed in full Cupid gear. Excuse me. His arrows how golden, his bow curved and tight. The wig that he wore was a comical sight. He spoke not a word and was gone in a minute, leaving a present behind. Now what could be in it? They read Cupid's note as he leapt down the hall. Happy Valentine's Day to one and to all. And then we get to find out what was in the present. Now, I've never been able to figure out if it's a hamster or a gerbil or a guinea pig, but it's some kind of small little pet for the classroom. But please don't get me a pet for the classroom. That has never worked out well for me. All right, so let me show you what we have today. In your packet, you have some hearts that look, or they're half hearts that look kind of like this. Now this takes the magic heart that we did for our calendar one step further. All right, so you're going to pick one of these to start with, and you're going to do just like we did with the calendar heart. You're going to cut, you're going to keep it folded. See, it opens up. We're going to keep it folded to cut, and you're going to cut on that black line all the way around, remembering to keep your thumb up the whole time. And another tip is that the easier way when you have to turn the heart is to actually turn the whole paper and move your helper hand rather than trying to squeeze your hand around like that. It's a little easier to actually move the whole thing around. All right, then do you see those little circles on there? You're going to be trying to punch holes near those. So if you have a hole punch, I have this special kind of hole punch that I have at preschool that's a little easier for kids to use. But if you have a different kind, you can use that. It just might be a little more difficult, but keep trying. You'll get it. You have strong finger muscles. So you're going to go around and try to punch holes as close to those little circles as you can. You're not going to, it's going to be hard to get them right on. Oh, I got one almost right on. But even I cannot see through the hole punch to tell where it's going. So you're going to hole punch around, and then, so there's your half a heart with the holes in it, and we're ready to see the magic, right? So here we go. We're going to open up our magic heart. And it's cut out into a whole heart, and it has holes all the way around, so it looks kind of cool. All right, so that's one thing I have for you today. And the last thing I have for you is a Valentine I Spy. Now this is just like the other ones we've done. You're going to look at the pictures down here, count them, then either write the number or trace the number next to that picture. All right, for each of the different pictures. All right. Well, that was one of the quicker circle times we've done. All right, so I hope you have a great day today, and hopefully I will see all of you at Packet Pickup. I will have your Valentine cards ready to go. That's going to be exciting. You can take them home and open the bag up and see all the Valentines your friends have given you. All right, so see you later. Bye, everyone.